10 minutes of us trying to strap the shit down. So today's project started when we took a small road trip and the flatbed, or at least what's left of it, down to Riverside, California, and visited the guys at Industrial Metal Supply and picked up some 1 3/4" tubing, as well as some awesome little gussets and some other miscellaneous stuff. And that is what led us into our project here today in the shop. Let's get into it. So the new project in question that we went all the way down to Riverside to pick up some steel tube for is actually going to be a new light bar mount. The reason we're changing it up is because after a little bit of time running the 3 Baja Designs XL Sports on the front bumper with my little brackets that I have fabbed up, just not really digging the look anymore. Kind of want to freshen it up, definitely want to change it. And I do want to take the 2 XLs off of the ditch light position and put them down here with these lights. So the decision to take the XL80s down and put them with the XL Sports was actually the original design that I had, but due to time and money constraints and just everything happening at the beginning of the year, that's not what happened. And I fabbed these up while I was on paternity leave. They've worked so far, they look great, I like them, but I definitely want to change it up to a little bit more solid. So what you guys are seeing is what me and my buddy Zach just spent the better part of this Saturday afternoon. We started rolling it with the Harbor Freight tube roller, which is questionable in its design. It works great, although the little jam nuts for the roller, not so great. So we rolled as much as we could, and then we've gone ahead and cut some little pie cuts to give us a relief so that we could kink the tube to get pretty close to matching the front bumper. So that's where we're at so far. So we're gonna bust out the welder now. We're gonna weld up our relief cuts, and then we're going to start getting these mocked up and measured out with how far apart I want them to be. That was good.